Veteran broadcaster and former Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation ZBC staffer Stanley Guredema has been declared a liberation hero and laid to rest at his second homestead in Zvimba. Sabana Mashkoboda Pangwa Ino Chilkont Iowa, a veteran ZBC broadcaster Pangwa Ino, or declare a liberation hero. Not about subscribe or like or on the bell, like on Tibilam Namo Blan Gomchinsi. Guredema, who passed away on July 1 after a long illness, was honored by President Emerson Mnangagwa for his contributions to Zimbabwe's liberation struggle and post-independence development. The announcement of his hero status was met with widespread praise from family, colleagues, and former collaborators who gathered to pay their respect to a man hailed as a dedicated public servant and media professional. His son, Mr. Christmas Guredema, expressed the family's appreciation for the national recognition. In quotes, "We want to thank the President for conferring our father with the Liberation Hero status. It gives us comfort as a family to know that our father played a pivotal role in the country's history. He was a caring father who was also dedicated to his work." Chagutu East MP and ZANU-PF Deputy Political Commissar Sashamu described Guredema as a patriot and urged the younger generation to carry forward the vision of economic emancipation. Chagutu District Development Coordinator Mr. Mark Kadaira, representing the Minister of State for Mashonaland West Provincial Affairs and Devolution Honorable Marian Chombo, described Guredema as a pillar of support for families of national heroes. In quotes, he ensured families remained informed, supported, and engaged from the moment of declaration to the interment. Guredema also participated in the exhumation and dignified reburial of liberation war fighters, reinforcing his lifelong commitment to preserving the country's history memory. He is survived by his wife, Jocelyn Mubayiwa, 5 children and 8 grandchildren. Thomas Karunda Pangwa Ino, Arkoneko Pamsoro PE ZBC broadcaster. Pina comment section bedu dzimafunguro enyu moti kudiva musoro pechitiko ichi. Musaona subscribe or like chetomba bell icon.